Alright, what's happening, everybody? This is Chad for you from Holiday Motors. We are here at City Park in Portsmouth, Virginia, getting you the video of this beautiful 2006 Pontiac GTO that we just got. This car is a stunner. 23,000 original miles on it. It even had the original tires on it, in which I'll post that video or attach it to this one as well. So I just had these BF Goodrich tires put on it yesterday. They are brand new, all four corners. This is the LS2 6.0 liter V8, and there are no apologies about this car. Looks to be all original paint, absolutely 100% garage kept. You can see back here the seats where they normally split. These are in excellent condition. All the glass looks brand new. There's no window tint, no nothing other than the axle back Pypes exhaust, and it has a Hurst short throw shifter. I do have both sets of keys to it. This is the worst bit of damage on the whole car. A couple little touch-up spots there, and then of course that one chip right there on the top of that handle. The interior is in perfect condition. No rips, tears, hardly any wear at all on this driver's seat, as you can see here. Super cold air conditioning. All the buttons, everything works like it's supposed to. As you can see, 23,195 miles on it right now. Headliner's in perfect shape. Oh, and as far as the I gotta cut the car off. As far as the exhaust goes, the factory mufflers are in the trunk here. If I can get it open. There we go. So you get the factory mufflers right there. I'll start it back up and then open the hood for you. So that exhaust sounds awesome. Nice tone to it. Doesn't have the droning rumble to it when you're going down the highway, and you can see very little road rash specks on the hood here, not much at all. And then of course somebody had the front license plate bracket on here. Beautiful and clean, just as you would expect for 23,000 miles, but even nicer than you would expect for 19 years old. This car is incredible. Glad to get any extra photos and video for you. We can help line up shipping and delivery as well. And you can find us online at holidaymotors.com. In person at 3203 Victor Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. And you can call or text me directly, 757-676-4444. We have been in business since 1974 and have been able to get some really good reviews and earn the business of some great customers. So hopefully you're one of them as well. This is definitely a unique car that you're not going to find everywhere, especially with that 6-speed manual transmission. So we're always interested in cool trades as well. So give me a call, text, let me know how you can earn your business. We appreciate you watching and look forward to hearing from you. Everything's super dry and looks really good underneath of here. Got a little bit of surface rust on the lower control arm there, as you can see. Back of the brake, but nothing major at all. Nothing underneath of the frame or the body. All stock with the exception of the pipes exhaust in the back, which we'll show you here in just a second. As you can see, that body and frame are perfect. Rear diff is nice and dry. All the mounts and everything look good. This car is impressive. Pipe bomb.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, sir. How are you today?
Alright. I'm gonna set this over here for you, okay?
So in this video, I wanted to include another special part about this car, that it has the original tires on it. These tires have the date stamp from 2006, the 10th week. And as you can see, they are still in good condition, but they are 19 years old, and I've got a new set that we're getting ready to put on it. But thought that that was a pretty strong point about this. So everything's stock and untouched other than the axle back exhaust, and we have the factories in the trunk. 2006 10th week. And 2006 10th week. So I think that's pretty incredible for a 19 going on 20-year-old car. So the mufflers, and then of course it does have a Hurst short throw shifter in it.